Okay, I'm back. One more time. One more time. So we're gonna be doing some creamy mac and cheese pie. It's gonna be bomb.com. Right now I have the grater out to get these two blocks of cheese. One of them is mozzarella and the other one is marble. I like marble cheese. Whatever cheese you like, usually 2 to 3 cheeses of your choice, whatever floats your boat, go and do that. So I'm just gonna grater these, put them in the bowl, so when I do make my cream sauce and when the noodles are finished boiling, then we can get started. I didn't put how to boil noodles on there because I feel like it's kind of self-explanatory. If you need to know how to boil noodles, you know, you could probably go on Google for that or something. So just look that up. I usually put salt and a little bit of olive oil so everything doesn't stick, and I don't cook it like really soft, like ready to eat, because you still have to put it in the oven to let it bake. But yeah, this is gonna be blessed. I'm excited. So you're just gonna need cheese, grater, but let me just get started. So I have already washed my hands, because washing your hands while cooking is very important, especially if you're cooking lots of things. You honestly don't want cross-contamination. It's disgusting. And then you just grate it. I'll be back because this is gonna take forever. Alright, so I just finished grating those 2 bars of cheese melting. Depending on how much you're making, definitely depends on how much cheese you're gonna take. For me, I am a taster, just a taste. Good cheese. Good cheese. Now I'm gonna start by making the sauce. So I just have some half and half cream here. I'm gonna use a cup. This is the only thing I actually kind of measure. I use a cup of this, and then I forgot. We need butter, some black pepper, a little bit of all-purpose. Let me open this, some cayenne pepper, so you guys know what it looks like, because this is actually not the bottle. And just some garlic powder to, get a little extra flavor, because you don't want like an actual big garlic in there or anything like that. So this is about to be bomb. The amount that I'm making, I'm probably gonna do like 1.5 cups of cream. You kind of have to decipher like how much you're making and how many people you're making it for. My family likes to eat, as I said before, Sunday dinner, so I just want to make sure that it is enough, and the cheese sauce makes it really cheesy and creamy. And I know my sister likes that because she is like a cheese fiend, and I like it creamy, but I don't like it too creamy, so we're gonna zibble and dabble in that. So we cook the pasta. It is not too hard, not too soft. We don't want it to be too soft because we still gotta put it in the oven. Yes. And now I'm going to make the cheese sauce. So as I said before, all the ingredients before plus butter. I forgot to put the butter, but you guys know what butter looks like. Putting the pot on low, and we're gonna add some butter. I'm just gonna add all this butter that's in here, that's left over, and then I'm gonna pour the cream in. So this is also gonna give you salt. That's why I'm not putting salt here. Let it bubble up. I don't want it to burn. That's not gonna be enough cream sauce for the amount of pasta I put in, so I'm gonna put in a little bit more. Use kind of your discretion on depending on how much pasta you're using. So I'm gonna just put like a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna just put a little bit more in here. And then I'm gonna wait till that bubbles up a little bit and then start putting the cheese to get it all gooey. So this is what it looks like at the moment. I am going to afraid. Don't be afraid to taste how your sauce is tasting without the cheese first, because you want to know that, you know, it tastes good without the cheese. So the cheese is going to make it taste good regardless. But just to make sure the sauce is tasting nice without the cheese before you add your cheese in. Tastes good. Don't put a lot at once because I just want it to get all cheesy and boiled up. It's kind of melt on its own because it's already warm. So as you can see, the sauce is getting a lot thicker, a lot cheesier, and it's like melting perfectly. Just make sure to keep it on low because basically the half and half cream is going to do most of the work for the cheese, but just make sure you're putting it in gradually. This sauce is getting creamy and good. So we finished the cheese sauce now. So we're just gonna put our half-cooked noodles in this pan here. Onion roll. You gotta kind of mash it up a little bit. We're gonna pour this cheese sauce all over it. And stir it up. You're gonna have to do this in good timing because the cheese sauce will start to harden. Always taste your food. Your food is tasting good. Sis. I would cook this for my man, but he's allergic. So now that that's mixed up, I'm gonna move it to this bowl to put it in the oven. So at this point now, it's in the pan. We're just gonna put more cheese on top. Like that. Some foil. And it's ready to be put in the oven. It is almost complete.